me skirt, skirt, skirt like I stole it. I've been rolling, 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 rolling. Pack loud, got a nigga wide open.
Hey you guys, it's Janai. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got this yellow hair color. Okay, I'm super in love. This is literally exactly how I wanted it to come out, but surprisingly the process was so confusing. So I'm gonna just explain the process beforehand so that while y'all watching the tutorial y'all not confused. So basically, as you guys are gonna see, I had like this coppery, orangish, gingery kind of color in my hair before, and I knew I was doing yellow next, so I knew that I needed to get the orange out because yellow can't just go over orange. Like, that's not how it works. So I literally tried everything to get the orange out without bleaching it. I tried clarifying shampoo, I tried color oops. Okay, I'm saying everything, but that's all I tried. So after the color oops didn't come out, didn't bring the orange out, I was just like, okay, you know what? I know that Arctic Fox shades are super pigmented, so let me just try to put this yellow on top of the orange and then just see what happens. So as you guys are gonna see in the tutorial, while I had the yellow in my hair, it looked super pigmented. I still didn't know how it was gonna wash out, but it looked super pigmented while it was on my hair, so I'm like, oh my god, this might actually work. So I got in the shower, rinsed it out, and it was still orange. Like literally barely anything even changed. So I was mad. I just went to bed. I was like, you know what? I'm in the morning. I'm just going to bleach the orange out my hair. I give up. There's nothing else that I can do to get this orange out, so I'm gonna just bleach it, and then I'm gonna start all over with blonde hair and then put the yellow on like a blank canvas. But then this morning, as I was bleaching my hair, I saw that it was like all of the tones, all of the orange tones that was underneath the yellow dye that I put in my hair was coming out. You like my hair color?
I do.
Thanks.
Okay, but you couldn't dye it this silver?
Girl, I really was not trying to bleach my hair. I was so mad. That's a whole nother story. I'm literally telling it right now. And then, oh yeah, so as I was bleaching my hair this morning to like go back to blonde so that I could put the yellow on top, it was like all of the orange underneath was just being removed from my hair, and all it left was the yellow dye that I put in my hair on top. So I don't know how it like got under the dye and removed the orange but left the yellow dye, but it worked. And that's what happened. So yeah, basically I just explained out this whole tutorial for you guys, but if you guys are still interested in watching, just, you know, continue watching. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now. So all my hair is like the same color, and overall I'm just super happy. I'm super happy. This sunshine yellow is a color I've been wanting to do for a long time, because in January I did like a neon yellow. The color that I used in this video, the neon moon, I did just that. And it was cute. It was more like a neon highlighter yellow green type of color, but I wanted to do like a sunshine yellow, like you're a sunflower type of yellow. So I did it. So I'm really happy. If you guys want to see pictures, just follow me on Instagram at Janai Kirsten, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.